October sales report and best-selling items. For the month of October, I had 101 sales across all stores. This is a 30% increase from the 74 sales I had last month. Miss Rhoadie 56, Weddings by Rhoadie 12, Homeschool Me 9, Rhoadie's Kitchen 14, Alma Africa 4, Bible Verses and Gifts 6, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever family photo t-shirt was my best-selling item for the month of October, and that's from my Miss Rhoadie store. In second place was my beautiful black and white striped bath towel set. In third place was my Happy Birthday Dad greeting card. The rest of my sales consisted of other greeting cards, t-shirts, shot glasses, tote bags, etc. Customer demographics. 76% of my customers for this month came from the U.S., 24% were international, 77% were women, 18% were men, and 4% were unknown. Within the U.S., they came from a total of 33 states, and this includes Washington, D.C. and Guam. My top sales, California, most of my sales came from California at 15%, Georgia 8%, New York 8%, and Pennsylvania 7%. And these are the actual number of international sales I had. So for Australia, I had 8 sales, Canada 6, the UK 4, Germany 2, New Zealand 1, and Sweden 1. Honorable mentions. For this month's honorable mention comes from my Bible Verses and Gifts store, and it's a car magnet with a religious theme. Referrals. I had 13 referrals for the month of October. I have included some in this presentation. Cute Mothering, Will You Be My Godmother card by Lemon Box. Keep Calm and Teach 4th grade mug for teachers. And this is by Keep Calm Maker. Custom dog photo and name pet supplies tote bag by Jasmine and Sunlight. Takeaways. My sales picked up tremendously for the month of October. My stores are beginning to recover from my 2-month hiatus, and the holiday season is probably a factor too. Thank you for watching.